Here's the app called Equals. So Equals app, make friends via music, quite interesting app. So you can just tap to download it. You can see it's in the top charts in music category. So yeah, just the idea is the app to find friends which have similar music taste as you. Whether you're looking for a chat app, want to join live chat rooms, or just want to find friends, Equals helps you connect fast and make friends with people who share your taste. Make friends and connect through music. Showcase your digital vinyls, track your super fandom, discover live chat rooms, and that's kind of the idea. Super fans chat rooms, check, discover, show, listen, support, and then you can just open it up. And then you can just start it out. So you need to upload your picture. So now you need to select 5 artists you like. Just as an example, what kind of friends. And then you can just skip, and then you have your rewards. And then you have this feed like that where you can just see all your feed, people posting different content. Then you can just swipe. To go swiping, you need to verify your age. Then there is your activity. Then you can guess on and compete with your friends. So there are some quizzes. Then there is your balance. And you can just top it up. You can just buy more digital vinyls. Then there is your profile. Settings. You can delete your account from here. And yeah, then there is plus subscription, 1 week $7, 1 month. You see here 3 months where you can see these features. And then there's Equals Plus. Equals Plus is cheaper plan. So that's kind of the idea. So yeah, that's just what you're having. Kind of, and also you have chat. And then that's just your chat. Again, they ask me to upgrade. So that's just what you have. That's the app. Pretty cool.